If you've been watching the charts lately, you've probably seen Skyai pumping hard, and a lot of people are wondering whether it's just a short-term move or the beginning of something massive. Well, I've been digging deep into this project, and in this video, I'm going to break down what I personally think about Skyai's recent pump and how this coin could actually deliver a 100x return if things play out right. The recent Skyai pump didn't just come out of nowhere. When you look closer, you'll notice the hype around AI-based crypto projects is growing again, and Sky happens to be in the middle of it. The project combines artificial intelligence with blockchain in a way that's getting people's attention. And it's not just about hype. It's about real utility. Every time a coin starts pumping like this, traders rush in thinking they can ride the wave. But what most people don't realize is that the real money isn't in chasing the pump. It's in understanding why it's happening and positioning yourself before the next big leg up. Skyai has been building momentum quietly for a while, and this current surge feels more like a signal that investors are finally starting to notice its potential. What separates Skyai from many other so-called AI coins out there is that it's not just another rebranded token claiming to use artificial intelligence. The team is actually developing real AI-driven tools designed to help analyze blockchain data, improve smart contract efficiency, and even support AI-powered trading algorithms. That's a big deal, because the next phase of crypto isn't just about DeFi or NFTs. It's about intelligence on-chain. And Skyai is aiming to be one of the few projects actually connecting those dots. Right now, we're in a time where Bitcoin's movement is influencing every altcoin on the market. Whenever Bitcoin stabilizes, money starts flowing into smaller cap projects, and that's when you see coins like Skyai explode in value. If you look back at history, many coins that achieved 100x returns had one thing in common. They entered the spotlight during market rotations, when investors were looking for the next big thing. Skyai might just be at that stage right now. The recent pump could be the beginning of a much larger run, especially if the team keeps delivering updates, forming partnerships, and gaining more listings on major exchanges. If you're looking at Skyai and thinking, did I already miss the move? Maybe not. Yes, it's pumped recently, but if this project keeps growing, this could just be the start. The key is to look for consolidation phases, those quiet moments after a pump when everyone's attention moves elsewhere. That's usually where smart investors load up before the next breakout. To get a 100x from here, it's not about throwing your whole portfolio in. It's about strategic positioning. A small investment in a project like Skyai, if it continues to execute and gains traction in AI narrative, could multiply significantly. Remember, the biggest returns often come from the projects that people overlook until it's too late. My honest thoughts on Skyai's pump? I think it's well-deserved. The project has been under the radar for a while, and now that it's finally getting attention, we might be witnessing the early stages of something big. Of course, it's crypto, volatility will always be there. Prices might dip, corrections might come, but the long-term outlook for AI-driven blockchain projects is stronger than ever. If the team behind Skyai keeps pushing updates, forming partnerships, and maintaining transparency, there's no reason why this coin couldn't reach new heights in the next bull run. And yes, hitting a 100x from these levels might sound ambitious, but in crypto, that's not impossible. We've seen it before, and we'll see it again. So if you believe in AI, if you believe in blockchain innovation, and if you're ready to take calculated risks, Sky might just be one of those opportunities that people look back on a year from now and say, wow, I wish I bought when it was still cheap. Anyway, that's what I think about the Skyai coin pump and why I believe this project could give early investors massive returns. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on Skyai. Do you think it's just hype, or are we looking at the next 100x coin in the making? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. I've got more deep dives coming up on hidden gems in the crypto space that could explode next. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Before ending this video, let's dive deep into the full details of Skyai. Skyai is an all-in-one AI ecosystem powered by MCP, designed to seamlessly integrate intelligent solutions across industries. Skyai will propose an extended MCP model context protocol and will create a multi-chain data service specifically for LLM usage scenarios. This extended MCP is also compatible with ordinary MCP clients, But Skyai will release a dedicated MCP client to fully demonstrate the capabilities of the extended protocol. Skyai now supports aggregated datasets from BSC and Solana, which exceed 10 B rows. Skyai has also proposed the concept of data liquidity and will launch the MCP marketplace to create an on-chain data economy ecosystem